CITIGEN. Version 1.6. New features and updates, multiple CITIGEN objects and asset controls. In order to use the latest CITIGEN add-on, please be sure to remove the previous version and install the latest one. Feature number 1. Multiple CITIGEN objects. Now, you can create and manage multiple CITIGEN objects. With this feature, you can easily create a canal or riverside city views. To use this feature, select a CITIGEN object or a multiple of them, and press Shift-D or click Duplicate Selected Cities. Duplicated cities will look exactly the same as their original copy. To change their looks, select a CITIGEN object, and click Building Variations, until you find the best look you like. Feature number 2, CITIGEN Default Asset Controls. Now, you can remove some default assets that automatically show up, such as the port structures, street lights, traffic lights, and street props such as garbage cans or signposts. You can even choose to remove the parks to fit the look of an overpopulated city. Let's try removing the parks. Uncheck Keep Default Parks, and click Toggle to apply above settings to selected CITIGEN objects. And click once more. Let's try the same settings to multiple CITIGEN objects at the same time. Select, and click the toggle twice. Now let's try removing the port structures from all CITIGEN objects. Uncheck Keep Default Port Structures. Select them all and click the toggle twice. Let's put the parks back on one of them. Check Keep Default Parks, and select, and toggle twice. Please have in mind, unlike the port structures and the parks, the default street props, the traffic signals, and street lights can only be removed when all the existing CITIGEN objects are selected. Now, with the port structures all gone, you can shift the positions and create some more natural looking city shots like this one. Hidden tips. You can select a CITIGEN object, and go into edit mode and remove the buildings and street parts one by one, by deleting vertices. That way, you can make room for your most important prop, such as the Stark Industry Tower, perhaps? So this wraps up the new feature introduction for CITIGEN version 1.6. So, this wraps up this tutorial. Thank you for watching. And thank you for choosing CITIGEN.